Want to create a video intro that makes a big impression and builds your brand, but don't know where to start? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to make stunning and professional intros using CapCut. They can look like this. Or are you ready? Let's go. First, we need an intro video background. You can find a free intro video background if you go to pixabay.com. Then search for intro template. You will find several different ones, and when you see the one you like, click on it and choose download. Or for the most convenient option, you can use the 32 free professional intro templates I have prepared like this. I have put the download link in the video description. Please download it and feel free to use it. Now jump over to CapCut and create a new project. Because I already have one background on my computer, I already imported it. Click on the plus icon to drop it down to the timeline. After that, go to the text and add the default text. Write what you want. In my case, I'm going to write my channel name. I will use the indivisible font. The character is 6 and the font size is 12. I will also add a glow effect to it and reduce the intensity to about 33. Now, I want to place the text where the smoke starts. When you find the right spot, right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. That way, we can mask the text in the next step. Move your playhead to the beginning of the text. On the Mask tab, choose Horizontal. Set Rotate to 90 degree. Pull the arrow a little bit to the left, and then pull the line to the left side until you don't see the text anymore. Next, we have to make a keyframe for our masking position. Go to the right side and click that diamond here for the position. Move your playhead forward so the smoke is almost at the end. Now, grab and pull the line to the right so you reveal the whole text. So if we play it now, it looks something like this. Next, we need to add an effect to our text. Select the Effects tab, choose Glitch, and find an effect called Fuzzy. Grab it and pull it down to our text. To make it perfect, I'll add some glitch sounds to the video. Select the Audio tab, choose Sound Effects, and search for glitch sound. If your sound effect is too short, you can always duplicate it. We can also use some slogans below our text. I will do the same as I did with our text. Finally, since I need the video to be a little longer, select the Import tab, choose Stock Materials, and then select Black Video. Let's add another video effect. This time, choose Opening and Closing and find the TV Off effect. To make it more engaging, we will add our last sound effect. Go to Audio and search for Shutdown Sound. And that's it. Let's check it out. Now export and use your intro. Please note that during editing, I use some of CapCut's premium features. To be able to use these advanced features, you need to upgrade CapCut to the Pro version. You can experience CapCut Pro for free for 7 days using the link I provided in the description before you decide to purchase. Finally, I have an important tip for you. While intros are crucial for building your brand and impressing your audience, we must use them wisely. If you have a small channel, I recommend not placing the intro at the beginning of the video, as this can bore viewers and cause them to leave. Instead, put your intro right after the video's hook, because once they've had a taste of the good stuff, they will patiently wait to enjoy it fully. So, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. I wish you success. Fighting.